In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel formula bar not showing. If your formula bar has mysteriously disappeared, don't worry. This is a quick fix and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get back to working with your formulas confidently. First, open Excel and any workbook you'd like to use. The formula bar is the area just below the ribbon where you can see and edit the contents of the selected cell, including formulas. It's easy to hide accidentally and just as easy to bring back. Once Excel is open, look to the top of the window for the ribbon, which is the row of tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. Click on the View tab to switch to the tools that control how your workbook is displayed. This tab is where Excel keeps the settings for showing or hiding elements on your screen. Inside the View tab, find the section labeled Show. It's usually toward the left of the ribbon. In that Show group, you'll see several checkboxes such as Ruler, Grid Lines, and the one we need, Formula Bar. If the formula bar box is unchecked, that's why you aren't seeing it. Simply click the checkbox to turn it on. As soon as you check it, the formula bar will appear directly beneath the ribbon. To confirm it's working, click on any cell in your worksheet. You should see the cell's value or formula displayed inside the formula bar. If you select a cell with a formula, the formula will show up there even if the cell displays a calculated result. This is exactly where you can edit or review formulas without changing how the cell itself looks. Here's a quick tip to make working with long formulas easier. You can resize the formula bar. Move your mouse to the bottom edge of the formula bar until you see a double-headed arrow, then click and drag down to make it taller. This gives you more room to view and edit complex formulas without losing track of what you're doing. If you're using a version of Excel that looks slightly different, the setting is still on the View tab in the Show group. The wording and position may vary a bit, but the formula bar checkbox is the key. That's all there is to it. By turning on the formula bar in the View tab's Show group, you restore a crucial tool for auditing and editing your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to keep exploring more ways to customize your Excel workspace.